Hello everybody. I am really excited that we organized this meeting of Hyperchildnet in April 24 in Bellinzona in Switzerland. Bellinzona is a small city in the south of Switzerland, the part of Switzerland where we speak Italian, and where about 25 participants of this meeting coming from all Europe. It was really interesting. What we discussed was very important for high blood pressure in children, and this group is really extraordinary. We are so cooperative and with so much idea that we can really look forward to develop the knowledge of hypertension in children. We were in Switzerland, and this, I think, it was the ideal place to be part of the meeting during these 3 days. So I'm really happy that we were here, and I look forward to be in Germany at the beginning of September. There will be the last meeting of the Hyperchildnet group in Heidelberg, but I hope that this group can work also in the future together. Follow us in the social media, in the internet page and so on. You will find some news about blood pressure in children. Thank you very much.